Peanuts I am making today, and you all can see how fresh it is. So watch out and see how I prepare this fresh peanuts. So this is the peanut. Right away I am going to pour them inside this pot. You can see this is the fresh peanuts. Then the next is we're going to add water to it. Cover it with water. Then if you like to add salt, you add. If you don't want, don't add. So me, I'm going to add some salt. So you can see a whole lot of salt, so that they can go in to the peanut shell. So this is it. Right now, I'm just gonna mix everything together and let it cook for 25 minutes. Then I will check it. If it's not cooked enough, if it's not crunchy enough, I will leave it for another 5 minutes. It has to be 30 minutes or 25 minutes. It depends how you want it. So this is it. Let it cook for now. Thank you. So right now the peanut is already cooked, and it's time to bring it out of this fire. This is the peanut. I'm trying to show you how I make my peanuts, my cooked peanuts. So this is it. You can see this is the peanut, and it's so good. So to eat this, you just have to open them up. So this is it. To eat it, you just have to open it up, and voila. This is how it will look. Let me open more. This is the peanuts. Subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. It's so tasty. Bye for now.